Hi guys, here we've got EMPORIA Smart 4 and let me show you how to change the language on this device. So at first, enroll the settings, and then find and select language and input, and here let's click on languages. Here you can smoothly add a language by tapping on plus and then pick the one from the following list. So here you've got all the list of languages, and let me choose, for example, Italian. Then you can choose the region also, slide it up to the first place, and from now on this is your system language. So let's go back, and as you can see, it has been already applied. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.